Welcome to the Perched Quizmaster. Here is the ultimate animal general knowledge quiz. Think you know everything about the animal kingdom? From the fastest runners to the weirdest sleepers, this quiz is packed with fascinating and fun facts that will surprise you. Get ready to test your brain with 30 wild questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quiz adventure. Let's get started. Which animal is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? Parrot. Which animal never sleeps? Bullfrog. How many legs does a spider have? Eight. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal is known to have the longest memory? Elephant. What color is a polar bear's skin? Black. What is a group of lions called? Pride. Which animal has no vocal cords? It's giraffe. What is the only continent without native reptiles or snakes? Antarctica. Which insect has the shortest lifespan? Mayfly. What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years? Snail. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird. What animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. What is the smallest mammal in the world? Pygmy shrew. Which animal can rotate its head almost completely around? Owl. Which animal changes its color to blend in with its surroundings? Chameleon. What is the only animal that can't jump? Elephant. How many hearts does an octopus have? Three. What do koalas eat? Eucalyptus leaves. Which fish can blink with both eyes? No fish can blink. What animal has the strongest bite force? Hippopotamus. Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater? Whale. What is the name of a baby kangaroo? Joey. What part of the body do butterflies taste with? Feet. Which animal can regenerate its limbs? Starfish. What is the loudest animal on Earth relative to its size? Sperm whale.